Since I don't have a car on this trip, I thought I'd review a plane instead. There it is.
Yeah.
Well, never done me best in class.
See, pointing things.
Including laptops must now be switched off and stowed away safely until we're airborne, either inside your hand luggage or in the overhead locker.
The safety features on board this ATR aircraft. Please take a moment prior to takeoff to review the safety card located in the seat pocket in front of you, which contains information on exits and life jackets. Feel the inflation, blow into this tube. To deflate, depress the valve just inside the tube. The life jacket has a light which will automatically illuminate in the water. Inflate your life jacket once outside the aircraft. Infant flotation devices are...
They must be held onto securely. Larger devices, including laptops, must now be switched